In this video I'm going to show you how to create Christmas bingo cards using Bingo Card Printer, which is software you can download from bingocardprinter.com. Okay, this is the initial screen when you load the program, I'm going to say create new bingo card project. Now I have a range of options here about what kind of bingo card project I'd like to create. I can start with a blank card and enter my own items. I can start with a bingo card with numbers. I can create bingo cards with words related to computing, events like baby showers or bridal showers, geography bingo cards for teaching, and so on. And I've also got holidays here, and then I can simply select Christmas for my type of bingo card, and I create a bingo card with words relating to Christmas shown here. I can add and delete my own words, so for example if I would like to delete the word Christmas from the list, I can just highlight it and click the delete button. I can also add words, so for example if I wanted to add the word gift to the card, I can do that. It's added at the end, but I can also resort the list into alphabetical order. On the right here is shown my example bingo card using the same word list in the same order, although my real bingo cards will of course contain a randomly selected subset of these words in a random order. I can also change the heading on the bingo card, so for example if I wanted the heading to be Christmas, I could change it to be Christmas. I can choose whether or not to have a special free space square in the middle of the card, or I can also choose to change the text on that square, and I can create bingo cards of different sizes as well. Obviously I need to have enough items, enough possible words to fill out the card. I can also customize the appearance of the bingo card, so for example I could use colors and fonts. For example I might find a font that looks very Christmassy or wintry and use that for my heading, or I could use colors like, for example, let's say some green and red, which are quite commonly Christmas colors, along with white, of course. So let's make the heading red, and I can change the text color of the heading to be white, so it will look a bit more clearly on that. And let's make the actual bingo board a combination of white and green. And if I click that, you'll see my bingo card has been customized with these particular colors. Now I'm ready to print. The first option here is print call list. The call list is basically the list of items in a random order, so the bingo caller can just use that list without having to draw items out of a hat. You can still choose to do the drawing the items out of a hat if you wish, but it saves you time to have a list ready. The next option here is how many bingo cards to print per page. Obviously the more cards I print per page, the smaller bingo cards will come out, but it will save me paper. Also, if I decide to give one bingo card to each person, I'd have to actually cut the paper up. So I'll leave that on 1. And the next option here is how many bingo cards to print. I can put in 1 bingo card, or I can put in 10, 100 or 1,000, or up to 9,999 in one go, and I could even do it again and repeat it with another 9,999, and every single bingo card will contain a different combination of the words in a different order, thus allowing me to produce very large numbers of bingo cards with great ease. So I'll show you just how easily that is by doing a print, or I'll show you print preview, in fact, so I can show you on the screen rather than having to print and hold up a piece of paper or something like that. So first page here is my call list, all the words in random order, and if I click next page you'll see the bingo card with a random combination of my words, and if I click next page you'll see a different random combination on the next page, and if I click next page you'll see a different combination on the third page, and so on up to the number of bingo cards that I've chosen to print. So you can see just how easy it is. If you want to try out the software out yourself, go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial version. Hopefully you will like it, and if you want to, you can then upgrade to the full version. Free trial version lets you try out the program for free, as the name says, and the full version will let you do everything that you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. So bingocardprinter.com, try it out.